Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to create an adding and subtracting vertical column in Excel. So this should be pretty straightforward, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So you see I have two columns of numbers in them, and let's say we want to make an addition function or addition formula here. So all I have to do, if you want to have multiple numbers, so if you're using a lot of different columns, you can just start by typing the plus sign on your keyboard and then type the first number. So if you just want to add certain numbers, and then do another plus sign and then add the second number, then hit enter. This will sum up this row. Alternatively, you could also do an equal sign in here instead, and then type SUM and then beginning parenthesis, and then just drag over the two entries that you want to copy and do an end close parenthesis, then hit enter. So once you have the formula for the first one, you can just take this bottom corner of the cell and drag it over all of the ones you want to add for. So you see, since we dragged them over, it'll add up all of these here. And pretty straightforward. And then if you wanted to also sum these up as well, we could just do right underneath, we could do an equals sum and then parenthesis and then just drag over these items. So it gives you a grand total basically. Now if you wanted to do subtraction, just do equals and then you do the first cell. Just left click on the first cell one time and then type the minus sign on your keyboard. Type the second cell, then hit enter. And then again just drag it over for all of them, and you can see our total has changed at the bottom. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.